The idea of getting rich quickly often sounds too good to be true. Yet, the cryptocurrency market has undeniably created significant wealth for many early adopters. Stories of overnight millionaires capture headlines and spark immense interest. This potential for rapid growth is a major draw for new investors and young adults. But how exactly can digital assets translate into tangible financial success? Let's explore the practical pathways. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their extreme volatility. Prices can surge or plummet dramatically in short periods. This inherent characteristic presents both significant opportunities and considerable risks. Successful navigation requires a clear understanding of market cycles and underlying project fundamentals. It's not just about picking a popular coin. It's about informed decision-making. The most straightforward path to wealth in crypto is through capital appreciation. This involves buying a cryptocurrency at a lower price and selling it later at a higher price. Researching projects with strong fundamentals and real-world utility is crucial. Identifying promising technologies and adoption trends can lead to substantial gains. Patience is often key, as market cycles can be long and unpredictable. Beyond simple price appreciation, cryptocurrencies offer avenues for passive income. Staking involves locking up your crypto holdings to support a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards, similar to earning interest in a savings account. Yield farming takes this a step further, involving lending or providing liquidity to decentralized finance protocols. This can generate higher returns, but often comes with increased complexity and risk. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, offers a suite of financial services built on blockchain. This includes lending, borrowing, and trading without traditional intermediaries. Engaging with DeFi protocols can unlock new income streams. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, represent ownership of unique digital assets. While highly speculative, some NFTs have seen incredible value appreciation. Understanding their utility and market demand is essential for potential gains. A long-term investment strategy, often called hodling, involves holding onto assets through market fluctuations. This approach banks on the long-term growth of the crypto ecosystem. Diversification is also vital. Spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies and asset classes reduces risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, especially in a volatile market. The cryptocurrency space evolves at an incredible pace. Staying informed about new technologies, market trends, and regulatory changes is paramount. Continuous education empowers you to make better investment decisions. Understanding the technology behind each asset and its potential real-world impact is crucial. Knowledge is your most powerful tool in this dynamic environment. While cryptocurrency offers exciting opportunities for wealth creation, it's not a guaranteed path to riches. Success hinges on diligent research, strategic planning, and disciplined risk management. Approach the market with a clear mind and a commitment to learning. With a practical and informed strategy, cryptocurrency can indeed be a powerful tool for building long-term financial prosperity.